Hi, I'm Shane from crowdcontrolstore.com, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the cassette on a retractable belt stanchion. It works mostly the same way for most stanchions. This is a master stanchion, so I'm going to replace it with the same belt from the same brand because you want to make sure that you're getting all the features that you got. For example, the master retractable belt stanchion has a nice and slow retraction so it doesn't whip back, which can be dangerous. So in order to change the cassette, you'll need a simple Phillips head screwdriver, and the idea is to take the screws out, but a lot of people are inclined to unscrew all the screws all the way. You don't want to do that because what happens is something like this. You'll unfurl the spring and you'll never be able to get it back together again. So, to avoid this problem, you want to slightly unscrew all 4 screws around your stanchion. And then test it out a little bit. If it won't come off, unscrew just a little bit more. Slides right out. Take your new cassette, unscrew the screws, again not all the way, but just enough so that they can fit over top. Line up the slots with the screws, push down, righty-tighty, all the way around. And we just made this blue belt into a black belt. Now, that's a good thing to keep in mind. You don't always just want to replace a belt because it's broken. Sometimes you might want to replace it with a belt with a custom message or a different color. And instead of buying an entirely new stanchion, you can just simply use this method to get a replacement cassette, unscrew it, pop the new one in, and you're set. But remember, don't unscrew the screws all the way, or else the spring will unfurl and it'll be a big mess. I'm Shane. This was how to replace the cassette on a retractable belt stanchion. You can find out about these products and more at crowdcontrolstore.com.